Welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick nail mail video where I purchased some items from Victorian Varnish after the Black Friday sale. It's not much, it's just some things that I needed. I needed some more acetone additives. So she had a sale, buy three, get one free. And I decided to go ahead and purchase those so I can stock up because I was on my last little drop of acetone additive. And then I saw a polish that I couldn't resist that also stamps. My gosh, I should have got the whole set, but I didn't. And so yeah, this is just a quick video just to show you some of those items that I did purchase. If you like this type of content, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And when I opened the package, I do see she gave me some little candy treats. This plasma sample, I believe it's a like a cream or a hand cream. So I'll open that in just a moment. But yeah, she gave me some little candy treats. Thank you so much, Tammy, in that little package there. This is the polish that I was referring to. I was trying to see if there was a name on the box, but at one point she did put the names on the box, but she has the name also on the bottle. And this has that pink, purple, red flash in it or shift that I love so much. So this one I definitely had to get, and I'll be stamping with that in another video. But just wanted to share with you what I did purchase. Like I said, it wasn't very much because I already have a whole bunch of polishes that I'm trying to destash and get rid of. So if you like destash polishes, most of my polishes are only swatched once. So if you like destash polishes, go ahead over to my Instagram page at simply underscore destash. I'm sorry, simply underscore kiwi underscore dstash. Can never get it right, but and also when you make purchases from a Victorian Varnish, she gives you a whole bunch of stickers. So here, and I'm starting a sticker collection as you can see, but this one is gorgeous. Look at that. And this one's pretty. All of these are pretty. Her stickers are just phenomenal. They're so unique and cute and so detailed. I love them. And I love it. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that is too cute. I had this one already, but she's giving me another one. I had a PR sample, so that's another one. And of course, this is the that huge sticker that she was giving out for Turkey Day. And then there's the Polish and Beauty Expo. I really want to go. I have got to see if I can go. I really want to go to this Polish and Beauty Expo. We will see. The tickets are not that expensive, but I would have to fly because it's too far for me to drive way to Chicago. I'm in Alabama, so that's going to be too far to drive. So we shall see. Here is the first. Her acetones are called tinctures, and it is a glass bottle. And y'all, I opened them up. This is peach blossom, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I bought two of those, and then I bought two of the island hopping. This one is my favorite, the island hopping. That is, oh my gosh, that smells so good. So I got two of each. So I have four, and that should last me for a little while with the acetone additive. So again, here are all the stickers, and then I decided to go ahead and open up this sample of cream. I like the jar because it's and it smells like ice, whipped cream icing, y'all. It smells like you can eat it. Smells so good. So I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna put this in my purse and use it, for work. My nails are all crusty and dry. So that's like I said, this is pretty much it. It was very, very short. I try not to buy any polishes because I already have just a overload of polishes. But that one where it stamps, I just could not resist. So again, if you like this type of content, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share it with your polish family and friends. I will see you in the next video. And remember, allow the minute to take hold and watch the magic appear. And you guys be on the lookout. I will have some more unboxing surprises and more polish reviews.